All right, I'm going to briefly share with you how to publish a Google Slideshow that you've created, how to publish that onto a portfolio site, your WordPress site. So I'm going to share my screen here with you and show you exactly how we do it. So if I'm in WordPress on my portfolio site and I'm in my home site here, hopefully you can see that. I am going to come down to pages. You can do this on a post as well, but I'm going to do it, edit a page. But if you wanted to create a page or a post, but I'm going to go, and for the sake of this, I'm doing it on my news gathering page. But maybe you have a slideshow that you created that you want to put on your leadership and team building or whatever page you want. And so you'll notice here right now it is in classic mode. Yours might be in block mode depending on how it is, but here's my news gathering page, right? I have things that I've posted on here, but down here, awkward interviews, shake it off. I led a session. So I'm going to present, I presented a session on how to do interviews. So I want to add that session, a link to the PowerPoint I created or the Google Slideshow I created underneath here. And there's a little trick that you have to do. And so here's how you're going to do it. Here's my slideshow in Google Slides. The first thing that you're going to do is go to File and Publish to the Web. What this is going to do is going to create a little, make this available online so people don't have to necessarily be logged in. You want to get the embed, and you can adjust kind of however you want this slideshow to auto advance if you like, and then publish it. Pick whatever settings you want. I'm going to hit publish, and now this is going to create an embed code for me. So I'm going to hit Control-C to copy it, or right-click to copy this embed code in here. And that's what we want. And then I'm going to come over to edit my page. And here's the trick. I can't just edit it in this block mode because the embed code and the code blocks don't register with iframes. So one trick that you'll have to do with this new way that WordPress is set up is you have to come up in the top right corner here and hit this little pull down, the little 3 dots here. And you want to change from the visual editor to the code editor. We're getting a little fancy here. So switch to the code editor. And then you'll see there's all this like HTML code, all this weird different little brackets. But if you look between the lines there, you can see the bulk of your page, right? This is my original post. If I scroll down here, this is all the code. This is my page, but with all the code here. See, there's my headline, awkward interviews. Here's the paragraph here, my about. So I'm just going to come right here after that paragraph that I wrote about my presentation, and then I'm going to paste my embed code right in there. And you'll see there it is. There's the code, that iframe, and it's right in there. And then I'm going to hit update. And there it is. If I hit preview, actually, let me hit preview. Or I'll hit view page here so I can make sure that you can see it. Hopefully that works, moving all the things around. If I scroll all the way down here, fingers crossed, there it is. There's my little embedded slideshow so people can watch it. There it is. All right, enjoy.